In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my order status on Temu. If you've recently placed an order and want a quick way to see where it's at, this walkthrough will show you the exact path to find your status in just a few clicks. I'll demonstrate using the website on a computer, but the flow is very similar in the mobile app, so you can follow along on whichever device you prefer. Before you start, make sure you're connected to the internet and signed into the same Temu account you used at checkout so your orders appear correctly. First, open the Temu website in your browser. If you're automatically redirected to a local version based on your region, that's normal. The layout may look slightly different, but the key options are in the same place. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the account features become available. If you're not already signed in, Temu may prompt you to log in once you move into your account area, and then it will bring you right back to where you were. Next, look for the Orders and Account option on the site's navigation on desktop. You'll typically find it toward the top right of the page. In the app, it can appear in your profile area. This section is your personal dashboard, where Temu collects everything related to your purchases, returns, and account information. Clicking into Orders and Account takes you to a centralized place that keeps your recent activity organized, making it easy to locate the order you're tracking. From there, go to All Orders. This view brings up a complete list of your purchases tied to the account you're using. You should see each order displayed with a snapshot of important details such as the order date, items included, the total amount, and most importantly, the current status. Common statuses include processing, meaning Temu is getting your items ready, shipped, which indicates your package is on its way, and delivered, confirming it has arrived. You may also see an estimated delivery window alongside shipped orders, which can help you plan for the arrival. If you've placed multiple orders, scroll through the list to find the one you're interested in. The page usually updates automatically, but if it's been a while, a quick page refresh can load the latest information. If you don't see any orders, double check that you're in the correct account. And remember, regional sites may display slightly different labels, but All Orders remains the place where your full order history and statuses are collected. That's it, simple and reliable. Thanks for watching and happy tracking!